Hi guys, it's Dreams.avi here. Happy holidays, and today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D room in the new Funimate updates. So, first of all, you're gonna create your 3D scene just like that. And then you're gonna import a picture of the ground you wanna use. For example, you can use a wood floor for the room, or you can get any kind of texture. You can find them on Google, you just have to search floor texture and you're gonna find your floor like really quick and choose the one you like. So I'm going to add my floor right now. So this is the floor that I've chose, and I'm gonna go to keyframe, I'm gonna go to transform, and I'm gonna rotate my floor, the X rotation, up to 90 degrees. So it's flat, just like this. And then I'm just gonna move it downwards like this. And I'm gonna make it bigger. Like this, so it fits the whole screen. So that's our floor. I just adjusted the position and the scale so it fits my 3D scene. Now I'm going to add my walls, which are the same thing. You just gotta search your wall texture on Google and you're gonna find it. You can just search wall texture. So I'm gonna hit image and I'm gonna add my texture right now. So this is going to be my wall. Actually, I'm gonna use this texture for all of my walls. Now that I've added it, I'm gonna go to keyframe, transform, and I'm just gonna make it bigger for now. So hitting the scale until it's big enough to fit the scene. And now that I've created my wall, it is placed correctly, but we have to go to view and click custom so we can arrange the wall in a way so it fits our 3D scene. As you can see, the wall is just floating in mid-air, which we don't want. We want the wall to be, at the corner of the floor. So we're just gonna go here and adjust the horizontal rotation so we can see where to place the wall. So now we're gonna go to keyframe, we're gonna go to transform, and we're gonna change the Z position so the wall goes towards the back of the room, just like this. Now we're gonna make the scale bigger. And as you can see, just by moving the position Z and the scale, we just have our back wall. So now that we have our back wall, we can just duplicate it. Then you're gonna go to the keyframe and you're gonna rotate the second wall to 90 degrees Y, just like this. You're just gonna rotate the Y to 90 degrees. And now, obviously, we have to change the position so it fits the left wall. So we're gonna go change position X from here. And we're gonna change it until it's in the back, just like this. And then we're gonna change the Z so it goes forward. And done with that, we've just created the left wall, as you can see, going to default. You can't see it yet, but we're gonna use a camera later and you're gonna be able to see all around the room. Now going back to custom camera, we're gonna duplicate the left wall and we're just gonna place it towards the right of the room. So we're gonna change the position X so it's gonna go to the right of our room, and that is perfect. Now going back to default, as you can see, we have the left wall, which is this one, and then we have the right wall, which is this one. This is the back wall, and this is the floor. And now we're just gonna duplicate the floor, and we're gonna make it the ceiling. So we're just gonna change the position Y, so it goes upwards, just like that. And there you go. You have your own room in Funimate. Now we can add a 3D camera. Go to keyframe, go to transform, and if we go to rotation, for example, rotation Y, as you can see around the room. So this is our room. I just found a flaw there, so we're gonna go to the right wall and we're just gonna move the X position just a little bit so it's not in the bad place. And this is it. And now adding the camera, we can move all around it. We can change the Z position. We can go into the room. We can look inside the room. You can add multiple objects like paintings. You can add chairs. You can add anything you would want to. And it's really easy. You just have to remember some simple steps on how to create the walls and the ceiling and the floor. So that was all for today, and I hope I helped you, and see you guys next time. Bye!